I haven't even had my coffee yet. And it's a big day today. Today, the solar panels are going up there. Maybe. Coffee has been had. Sunscreen applied. The sun is up and burning. The hat is on. Kira is doing her best again, adjusting the support structure for the solar panels. And I'm getting rid of additional paint. So the paint here, here, and here. Paint needs to go, so we can start welding. Not sure if this is the right tool or if the sandpaper thingy is better actually. I think this one's better. Yeah, that works better. With the angle grinder it would be faster, but the angle grinder is in use, so I get to use the power drill. They're super heavy. I'm checking how the alignment is. Not too bad at all. A little bit to the right would be good. Work is in full swing and the temperatures are hot, hot, hot. We have 1, 2 and the third one in the middle of these. They are welded on here to this stainless steel bar, so a couple of welds here. And here we have the holes where the whole solar panel then just simply will be screwed on top. And I already... Okay, we're up on the boat and the solar panel is up on the boat too. And we now have a whopping 550 watts of solar power. Isn't this great? So half of the solar install is done. The solar panels on the sides, they're probably much easier to install because we just clamp them to the rails. This one was the hard thing to do, but I'm very satisfied. It's looking sturdy, it's looking good. We even had Peter hang his 100 kilos from here. I'm not gonna do that because that's outside of the boat. He trusts his welding. I now do too, but I'm still not doing that. So I'm gonna show you from below. We don't show you this vista too often. That's the boat on the boatyard. That's the burros, the stands that just get piled up there. This boat is abandoned. This boat is abandoned. That's the fishing boats over there. This is us. And this is a new solar panel, 550 watts. Doesn't it look great? Hey. Hey. Yeah, new solar panel. Awesome. Alright, that's it, I think, for today. We call it a day. Clean up a bit. And then we'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers. Take care.